Let me show you a full overview of the app that we get for the DJI Mic Mini 2 and also how to use it and also how to configure everything. So first, if you actually want to connect your microphone to your smartphone, you actually have choice of a couple different adapters. So for smartphones, I highly suggest this one since it's so incredibly portable. So you see just how tiny it is compared to the big boy. So you see, for example, this is absolutely massive and it's absolutely pain to use with a smartphone when you actually connect. So it simply gets in the way and it's absolutely dreadful to use this smartphone. Also, we can connect Bluetooth mode as well directly without adapter. Limitation is the range isn't as good and also audio quality also find tiny bit worse than compared to like adapter. So yeah, for example, if you want to connect it to your phone, so you simply plug it in and make sure your microphone is turned on. So this blue button, this lower like power button. Then you simply press and hold this pairing button on this one. So you see it will start to blink. And then also you want to press and hold it here. So you see it will blink in blue plus green. And after maybe 2 seconds, so you see it connected together. Also on the same receiver, we can actually record two microphones, pair two microphones at the same time. So that's why the other frequency is still blinking. And then the app for this microphone is called DJI Mimo app. Also to record, basically for example, a video, you actually do not need to install the app. The app is simply used to change some settings. Also, you can change some settings and also uninstall the app afterwards. So simply go in the Play Store or Apple Store. So it's available on both Android and iPhone. So download this app, open it up. And okay. So you want to click simply here on the microphone, here on the bottom. Click set mic and so you see it's connected over here. So let's check out what we have. So you see we have the receiver connected here and also see the microphone connected. You can also see the like audio level here as well. So you see if I talk into it, basically it displays there. So first, as you see, you can record in mono as on stereo as well. So you can actually connect two microphones at the same time and record, either simply to get the stereo or to have two people basically talking. So make sure to enable that. Also, we can enable the safety track as well, here as well. And also we can adjust the gain, essentially the volume that your video is going to be recorded at. So audio. Okay, so you see you can increase it up to plus 12 decibels or minus 12 decibels for iPhones. And also Google Pixel phones, I suggest to set it at either like 6 decibels or even 12, since iPhones do not have the best preamps, I guess. With Samsung phones, you can set this safely at 0, and even then, sometimes you might even need to like lower it, since again, Samsung have got excellent audio management compared to iPhones or Pixels. We can also like change the monitoring gain, and also we can change the noise reduction. However, if you basically click this, so you see we actually can't change it from the app because it's actually also on this mini receiver. So you see we can enable the low noise reduction here and also high noise reduction by simply flipping this switch over here on this receiver. If you connect this one, so this receiver, then you can change it from the app. If you go in the like TX settings here, so you can also set up the clipping control. So essentially, if you like talk too loud in this microphone, it's going to basically cut off the highs to prevent basically your audio from overblowing and destroying your audio. So make sure this is enabled. This is an excellent feature here. Also, you see, you also have this new feature called voice tones. So essentially, it can simply enhance your voice, make it sound richer, fuller. So by default, it's set regular. I like to set mine at rich. So I find that works the best, basically, with this microphone here. So yeah, overall, when it comes to apps, this microphone is absolutely brilliant. Also, for example, if you use it in the Bluetooth mode, there is one thing that you need to know. Basically, on Android phones, you have to actually go in your camera app, either advanced settings, and choose the Bluetooth microphone to be used. By default, if you actually connect this in the Bluetooth mode, so let's do it. If you want to connect it in the Bluetooth mode, so again, simply press and hold the pairing button. It will blink green plus blue. You simply go in the Bluetooth settings. Okay, apologies. Let's remove this. I already had it added. Okay, let's repeat it. So you see it appears here. Click connect, so you see it's connected. But with iPhones, problem is, if you record in the stock camera app, it actually won't pick up the audio because iPhone camera app is absolutely stupid. So the only way how to use it in the Bluetooth mode is if you download the Blackmagic camera app on iPhones. So that is the only way how to use it in the Bluetooth mode. But yeah, so about the app, again, you do not have to actually install it if you do not want, or also you can uninstall it after you are basically finished with changing whatever. The settings actually get saved on the microphone itself. So you set once and then you can simply get rid of the app if you do not need that. Okay, good luck.